My name is Scott Baker. I live in just north of Nashville, Tennessee. I've been in manufacturing. Actually, I calculated the other day, I've been in manufacturing for 43 years. I'm 60 years old now. I didn't realize I'd worked so long. And I mostly have worked in automotive, all in operations, but I have worked some outside of automotive, and I've been working on lean manufacturing for many, many years. Call to adventure. Who are these losers that I am working for? Unbelievable. Since I left Pullman Industries, I've worked for complete idiots. So it's definitely time for a change. Crossing the threshold. I'm thinking about what my goal should be and what I'm going to do to make these changes happen. And I realize I got to focus first on my health. And my health is so bad. I'm going to need a lot of commitment. I'm going to really need to commit to this to make it happen. And I got to start small. I can probably barely get up the stairs, much less exercise. But really, if I could do this, it could lead to a new happy life that's not based solely on how my career's done, on much more important things. And I need God to help me, I think, keep me motivated to doing this as well. And I'm adding years. If you look up what your time span is at 9.1 A1C and what your time span is at 6, I've added 15 more years to my life already. And I really feel good about that. And I think that that's going to help keep me going and keep me motivated to do more things, add more things other than just the elliptical machine, return with the elixir. So I have my vision now. I have these Harada tools that will help me meet my goals. I can do anything really with these. If I can put my vision together, I can fill out my 64 chart. I can make routines and they become habits, and I can become the person that I wanted to be when I wrote my obituary.